In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a check in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or accountant, knowing how to efficiently print checks can simplify your financial workflow and save you valuable time. Let's dive in and see how you can do this in just a few minutes. First things first, click on the sign in button and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're selecting QuickBooks Online as your platform. Enter your username and password, then hit continue. Accessing the correct QuickBooks space ensures that all your financial data is accurate and ready for operations like printing checks. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click the New button. This is your starting point for creating new transactions and documents in QuickBooks Online. From the drop-down menu, select Print Checks. This action opens up the check printing workflow and gets you ready to generate your checks. Before printing, click on Print Setup at the bottom. This step is crucial because it configures how your checks will be printed and ensures everything aligns correctly. For most users, the standard setup works perfectly, so select the standard option as your default. Remember, aligning checks properly prevents wasted checks and ensures your payments are professional. Now, before hitting print, always preview your check. Click on View Preview and Print Sample to see how your check will appear. Take a moment to carefully examine the layout. The payee name, dollar amount, and other details must align precisely with your pre-printed checks. Misalignment can lead to errors or rejected checks. Here's a helpful tip. After printing the sample, place it on top of your actual checks to verify alignment. If something doesn't match, go back to the setup. Select No Continue Setup and adjust the alignment settings. Also, double check your printer settings and paper type to avoid common printing issues. Once everything looks perfect, click Yes, I'm finished, and you'll have a correctly printed check ready to use. Printing checks in QuickBooks Online is a valuable skill that ensures your business finances are handled professionally. With a little practice, you'll be able to print checks quickly, accurately, and confidently, saving both time and effort in managing your transactions. Using this workflow also reduces mistakes, keeps records organized, and makes bookkeeping much simpler in the long run. Thank you for following along today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, tricks, and tutorials that make managing your business easier.